Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to repair the left swivel on your Sony MDR-XB650BT headphones. We'll be replacing the broken part on this side with this replacement part. To get started, we will remove the cushion with some sort of pry tool. After that, we will remove the 4 screws. After you've removed the screws, take the cover off and we'll go ahead and desolder the connections. Now we'll use our pry tool to remove the hanger from the headphone's body. We'll start with the side without the cable and then remove the side with the cable. Now there are 2 plastic covers that we'll remove, and that will let us take the cable out of the hanger. We will also go ahead and remove the 2 screws that will hold the hanger to the swivel. Next, I'll use some needle nose pliers to pry up the cable out of the hanger. The final step in the disassembly is to remove the 3 screws that are holding in the swivel. Once the screws are removed, you can slide off the back slider and go ahead and just sort of pop off the swivel. Here you can see the broken part and the part we'll be replacing it with. If you need to purchase this replacement part, I'll have a link in the description below to my eBay store. Let's put this bad boy back together. We'll start by twisting up the wires together and fishing them through the opening on the inside of the swivel. Reattach the swivel onto the headband and it will just snap in place. We'll take the backing and put that on the back side and attach it in place, and then we will reattach the 3 screws to hold that in place. Now we will continue to put the cable through the hanger the same way we did when we disassembled it. Once that's in place, we'll put the cover back on and attach it using the 2 screws. And we'll continue fishing the wire through the opening in the hanger. Once the cable is all the way through, I like to tack it in place with a flathead pry tool, and we can attach the plastic covers back onto the hanger. Now we will put the housing back on. We'll attach the side with the wires first, and then the side without the wires. And now it's time to resolder. It may be a little hard to follow in the video, so I'm just going to say out the order of these wires. Feel free to write them down if you need to. Starting on the left, we have the large black wire, then the large red wire, small black wire, copper, small red wire, green, green and copper wire, and finally the red and copper wire. Next, we will put the cable into this little notch and set the driver back in. We want to do a quick test to make sure that the headphones power on and that you can at least hear something coming out of the speakers. Once you've confirmed that your headphones are working, we'll reattach the 4 screws to hold the driver into the housing. We will take our cushion and we'll get a little bit of super glue and just put some drops down on the outside of the housing here. And then we'll just put a little bit of gentle pressure to reattach the cushion. And that's it. Hopefully your headphones are now repaired. Please like and subscribe to help make the world a better place, one pair of repaired headphones at a time. Thanks.